Hello children, welcome to another video of EVS. Today we will start our new lesson, Lesson 5, Rules for Safety. Children, there are rules that we must follow for our safety. In order to be safe, we should follow some rules. We must follow these rules at home and outside. We should follow these rules at home. When we are at home, we should follow these rules. And when we go outside our house, then also we should follow these rules. If we do not follow these rules, then what will happen? We can hurt ourselves and others. So in this lesson, we will learn some rules that we should follow at home and outside home. Children, let's learn some safety rules that we must follow when we are at home. Do not play with fire. Fire is not a toy or something to play with. It can be very dangerous. So we must not play with fire. If we have to light a match or a candle, ask a grown-up to help you. If you have to light a candle or a matchstick, so you should call somebody to help you. Someone who is elder than you. In the picture you can see. Here in the picture you can see the boys are playing with fire. It can be very dangerous. We must not play with sharp things like knives and scissors. So these are also the things that you should not play with. They are sharp. You may get hurt. Like in the picture you can see this boy gets hurt on his finger because of this knife. So we should not play with sharp things like blades, knives and scissors. We may get hurt. We should always sharpen our pencils with a sharpener and not with a knife or a blade. We should always use a sharpener to sharpen our pencil. In the picture you can see. At home, we must not put our fingers into an open socket. Here you can see this is the socket that is used to plug in some electronic device or electronic thing. Why? If you put finger in this, there is electricity and we could get a bad electric shock that can be very dangerous. Now children, let's see some rules that we must follow when we are outside our home. When you have to cross a road, like when you have to go from one side of the road to the another side, then we must cross a road at the zebra crossing. This black and white stripes here in the picture you can see, this is the zebra crossing. It is called zebra crossing because of the stripes that zebra has. Black and white stripes zebra has on its skin. So that is why this is called zebra crossing. We must cross a road at the zebra crossing. To cross a road, we must not run. That can be very dangerous. Children, when we cross the road, we must look to the right and then left and then right again before we cross the road. So we have to make sure that no car or any other vehicle is not coming on the road nearby. If it is far away and you have time so that you can easily cross the road, that is, you can cross the road at that time. But if you see any car or vehicle, so you should stop at that time and later check again, first to the right, then left and then right again before we cross the road. If no car or any other vehicle is coming, you can easily cross the road. We must not run or play on the road. In these two pictures, you can see children are playing on the road. It is very dangerous. The car is coming, some child may get hurt. So it is not good. It is very dangerous. We must always walk on the footpath and not on the road. Here in the picture you can see children and some people are walking on the footpath. Here you can see these girls are walking on the footpath. That is safe. But walking on the road is not safe. So we must always walk on the footpath. We must never get onto a moving bus. Here in the picture you can see these people are trying to get onto the moving bus. It is very wrong. They may fall, they may get hurt. So we must never get onto a moving bus or get down from a moving bus. Here you can see this bus is moving, and when the bus stops, you can easily get down without pushing anyone. We must not lean out or put our hand out of a moving bus, car or train. In the picture you can see these people are leaning out of the window of the bus, moving bus. It is dangerous. The boy is waving hand, putting his hand out of the window. So it is also very dangerous. We should not lean out or put our hand out of the moving bus, car or train. Children, what you can see here in the picture? This is the traffic light. Yes, you already know this. So red light says stop. When we see the red light, we should stop our car, our vehicle. And at that time, those people who want to cross the road, they can easily cross the road when the light is red. Okay? Then yellow light says wait. And green light says go. When the light is green, the car can move. I hope you will always follow these safety rules. Thank you. Bye bye.